This is Mocha, a 15-month-old, 80-pound German Shepherd, almost completely untrained. During the days, Mocha is in a very large run. At night, she gets to hang out in a garage and sleeps in a crate. Mocha has spent almost her entire life in that environment, so when you take her out of that environment, she's very curious, very distracted, which makes training a little harder. Considering all that, she must have very good genetics because she's not aggressive towards people or towards dogs. She just has to learn how to interact with them. Pretty much when meeting them, she will jump on people, to greet them in a friendly way, but an 80-pound shepherd doing that isn't necessarily the best thing. And with dogs, she's a little hesitant, but does want to play, just doesn't know how to yet.
I lost him. Sit. Sit. Yes.
We put a gentle lead on her, which is that device you see that goes around their snout, and it keeps them from pulling and makes them a little easier to control, although it does take a little while for them to get used to it, as you can see in a lot of this video. It did distract her a lot. And if you look closely, you'll notice it's not even attached to the leash yet, so once we attach it to the leash, that'll make a big difference. Right now, we're just trying to get her used to it. Like that. If you're going to introduce two dogs, the fence is probably the worst place to do it. This happened just because the neighbor's dog happened to be in the yard at the same time we were in ours. We did a leashed greeting a little while later, which went okay, but Mocha needs some work. She doesn't know how to initially meet another dog because she's scared due to being a little under-socialized, or very under-socialized. In the 3 days I've tagged along with my wife while she's been training, I've noticed a big improvement in Mocha, as you can see here. Really looking like a different dog.
I don't think she likes the thing around her snout.
Unfortunately, Mocha had an encounter with a yellow jacket and got bit, but she took it like a champ.
She just got bit by a bee, a yellow jacket.
Oh, we killed it. I'm sorry, baby.